Alright guys, we're in the GranTurismo. This thing sounds like an absolute animal. So what's been done to this car, it's had a pops and bangs map, which has been pretty difficult to get accurate as it's naturally aspirated. So it's been a mixture of trying to get the ignition timing right, etc. We've taken out the ECU, done a bunch of work, sounding incredible now. It's also had an X pipe done. You can listen to that lead. Sounds naughty, sounds naughty. So it's got an X pipe, Akrapovic exhaust tips, 4-inch tips, I believe. This is a limited edition GranTurismo as well as an MC Stradale. There was only, I'm not sure on the exact amount of units, but they are quite limited. We've also put 25mm spacers on the rear, so this thing is sitting pretty aggressively now. Not to say that it wasn't sitting mean before, they're beautiful cars regardless. Just finishes off the look a little bit better. Feels as if the car just looks a little bit more angry and where it should be placed. It's a beautiful car, really, really beautiful car. Carbon interior as well on some parts, real carbon, not the fake stuff. Oh damn, that sounds mint. That sounds incredible. It's actually quite deafening in person. It could be louder, that's the scary thing, but we don't want to ruin an elegant car too much to that level. It's loud enough. That is crazy. That is, yeah, that sounds absolutely excellent, even if I say so myself. Damn! Thing's rapid as well, absolutely rapid. Naturally aspirated engines though, the torque's just there instantly. What a machine. Beautiful, elegant, loud. That is crazy. That's wicked. Guys, that is wicked. If you've enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, comment down below. Guys, we'll see you for the next upload. Make sure you subscribe as well. Subscribe guys, subscribe. More bangers to come.